Example problem 4 reads, a chemical product synthesized in a laboratory contains approximately 5.37 times 10 to the 4 electron volts of energy. Calculate the mass of the sample in units of grams. So they want mass in units of grams. We're told that the amount of energy that the chemical has in it is 5.37 times 10 to the 4 electron volts. And the formula that we're going to use is E equals mc squared, where E is in units of joules and mass is in units of kilograms. So we have to do a little bit of converting at the beginning of this problem with E. There is a direct conversion from electron volts to joules on the previous slide. We saw that 1 electron volt is 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. So electron volts cancel, and if you multiply their value for E by the constant for joules, you'll get 8.602 times 10 to the minus 15 joules of energy. So now we're ready to put this into the equation, E equals mc squared. So 8.602 times 10 to the minus 15 joules equals m, that's what we're calculating, and c, the speed of light, is 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second squared. So to isolate the mass, we're going to divide by 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second squared, and that will cancel. And so bringing it over to the other side, 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second squared. When you divide our value for E by the speed of light squared, you'll get that the mass is equal to 9.557 times 10 to the minus 32 kilograms. But we weren't asked for mass in kilograms, we were asked for mass in grams. So, bringing this down because I've ran out of room, 9.557 times 10 to the minus 32 kilograms. We want to convert to units of grams, and so that's going to be a one step because we're converting from something with a prefix to the base unit. We give the 1 to the thing with the prefix and the metric system constant times 10 to the 3 for kilo to the base unit. So kilo cancels, and if you multiply 9.557 times 10 to the minus 32 by the constant for kilo, which is 1 times 10 to the 3, you end up with 9.557 times 10 to the minus 29 grams. And that is the mass in units of grams. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 4.